Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making a video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from saying 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, 83 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So we'll spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906. And friends, if you have more doubt, you can also email me. I have an email account on Gmail and my Gmail ID is abhimanyubhattacharjee1906@gmail.com. So we'll spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJEE 1906 @gmail.com. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay. And friends, also do not forget to share this video with your family, friends, and relative friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered a topic called money and a balanced life. This was the topic which I covered on the last video, friends. Okay. And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called poverty is a mental illness. So this topic I'm going to cover on today's video, friends. Okay. So friend, this is 109 number video and the name of the topic is poverty is a mental illness. So friend, let us see what author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. There is no virtue in poverty. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling that there is no virtue in the poverty. It is a disease like any other mental disease. So this is a very big statement, friends. Okay. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling poverty is like a disease like any other mental disease. So people have different diseases, different mental diseases. So poverty is also one of the mental disease out of them, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. If you were physically ill, you would think there was something wrong with you. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling if we were physically ill, we would think there is something wrong with us, friends. Okay. You would seek help and do something about the condition at once. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling we would require a medical help and we would do something about the condition at once, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Likewise, if you do not have money constantly circulating in your life, so here author Joseph Murphy is telling in the same way, parallelly, if we do not have money constantly circulating in our life, there is something radically wrong with you. So this is a very big statement, friends. Okay, so here author Joseph Murphy is telling that if money is not particularly supplying in our life, that means there is something wrong with us, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. The urge of the life principle in you is toward growth, expansion, and the life more abundant. So, the author Joseph Murphy is telling the urge of life principle towards us is growth, expansion, and also the life abandonment, friends. Okay, so this is a very big statement, friends, which author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. You are not here to live a hovel, dress in rags, and go hungry. So he also Joseph Murphy is telling that we are not here to live a hovel dress in rags and go hungry, friends. Okay. You should be happy, prosperous, and successful. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that we should always be happy, prosperous, and also successful, friends. Okay. So becoming happy, prosperous, and successful is our birthright, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. So friends, in our today's video, I have covered the topic called poverty is a mental illness. So this topic I've covered on the today's video, friends. Okay. And friends, in our next video, I'm going to cover the topic called why you must never criticize money. So this topic, friends, I'm going to cover in the next video. So friends, as I always say and I always recommend everybody to read this book because this book is going to give you a new dimension in the life. So as you all know, the book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, which is written by the author Joseph Murphy. So friends, if you read, you will get a new dimension in your life, friends. Okay, so friends, this video comes to an end, and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.